Hello, happy Tuesday. Today is the day where I go and meet the gals of the Red Hat Society. So they said to wear purple clothes and then a red hat. And I'm going to save the hat for work or for after work, but I'm going to wear this hat today. I just think it's fun with the little flower and it's black and matches my jacket. So then when I go tonight, I'll wear this one. So this is the one I got from the thrift store. So yeah, that's the game plan for today. But for now, I'm wearing this one. So that's what I'm doing today. I had to put a jacket over it, otherwise I look like Barney. For those of you who had kids or babysat or whatever kids in the 2000s, I think it was. Anyway, so yeah, I definitely had to put something over it. But all right, I will show you what I'm eating next. Hey there, it's gonna be a wild day, so I'm eating a little early. This is my yogurt and cottage cheese with some guava drink enhancer and my 3 chicken sausages. Don't forget, today I meet with the Red Hat Society ladies, so I don't really know how I'm gonna do supper. Lunch today is that chuck roast that I made this last weekend, and it's a zucchini. It's 130 grams of zucchini, and I put some tahini on it, and I kind of shook it up, so now there's water in the bottom. But that's what I've got for lunch today. The restaurant I went to had a pizza bake, and so I got the everything pizza, so you can see what all is on it, and this is how it looked. It was delicious. Basically, they just took light sauce and all those pizza toppings and baked it. It was perfect.